Today on Cooking with Sophie, we're gonna make my lunch. What do I want for lunch? Oh, I know. We're gonna make what the Environmental Sciences course made last year, a spring salad. What do we need to make a spring salad? We need lettuce, tomatoes, carrots. We need so many other vegetables. Where do we get the vegetables? Well, we have a garden. This garden is a great way to source food in a sustainable way. Ah, cold! Snow? Okay guys, here we are, the garden. What? But where's the vegetables? We need some lettuce at least. No lettuce? Just snow. It's okay guys, maybe they found the vegetables on one of their nature walks. They do go on nature walks. Still no vegetables. It's all snow. It's just snow. I can't eat a snow salad. Where are all the vegetables? No salad anywhere. Nothing to create my salad with. No vegetables here? No! What do I do now?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to make a salad.
Why are you making a salad in the winter?
I thought you guys made a salad in environmental sciences.
We did it in the spring semester when there's no snow on the ground. And that's why we're able to go on walks and build our garden.
Nature walks? My nature walk sucked.
It was spring when we went on our walks. We weren't going to go out when it's raining.
Oh, I guess that science just isn't my thing.
Aww. It's not a traditional science course like bio, physics, and chemistry. It doesn't matter if you're a STEM student or an art student. It's very holistic. Yeah. Mr. Biggs listens to his students, so if you want to talk about electric cars, he's very willing to adapt his courses.
That's so cool. I think I'm going to join environmental sciences when I'm older.
You definitely should.
And that's it, folks. Thanks for listening to Cooking with Sophie.